and rain.
Hello everyone and welcome to Nailed Him.
Dun 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 dun. We are here with Christmas spirit and Christmas joy.
And jolly good feelings.
Actually, we're not here with Christmas spirit.
I am.
We hate Christmas. We're the Grinch.
No!
Grinch now, babe. Stick with the theme.
Well, I could be a fangirl, but I cannot be a Grinch.
Fine, I'll be the Grinch.
I can like Mr. Scrooge without being Mr. Scrooge.
Bah
Am I right?
humbug. Bah humbug.
No. Weren't you just the one that just said we were here with Christmas spirit?
Yeah, but then I remembered it's a Grinch now.
Well, I think we can live in duality. We can be both of them. We can be happy with both of them.
You can't be two contradicting things at once.
That's what I am. I'm a mutt. I'm lots of different things.
That's two things coming together. That's not two opposing things at the same time.
Well, things could be... Okay, this is getting too philosophical.
Yeah, tell them about how to do this nail art.
All right, okay, I guess that's maybe what they're here for. So I started just with a big green blob, and that's going to be his face. So I just wanted to get like a general outline of what his face is going to look like. So I had a little reference of like what I think, where his nose will be, where his cheek will be. So that's what the little protruding parts of the blob are. So I just did his Santa hat and his body. And just a while ago you saw I just took the whole brush of the red and just dabbed it on there so I could get some more color. But then I went back with my detail brush so I could make it more of a perfect square. And this is a cool tip and trick that I like to do for brims or clothing or stuff like that. When it's bubbly, I'll do a bunch of dots and then really quickly line them together and cure them. So that way you still get the bubble effect. And sometimes like this one, when you bubble them together, they just naturally come together. So I do that so to prevent the gel from spreading too much and losing the bubbles, kind of like it has right there at the end, and that's why I went and touched them up right there. So the key is to go fast.
And be good at nail art.
And to practice. Practice makes perfect.
Because she wasn't always good. And she wasn't always perfect.
I came out of the womb painting nails. What you talking about?
No. I think the secret to your nail art is the hand model. Except for this hand model's not as good as the other one.
Well, I think having a beautiful hand model helps. That's for sure.
It's more than beauty. There's a lot of talent and skill involved and years of dedicated training.
Very true. You know how K-pop idols go and they train? That's what we do, nail artists.
And if you want to see K-pop nails, let us know, and we will do a K-pop set.
I would love to do a K-pop set.
Especially of Jimin.
Yes. I love me some Bangtan boys.
I don't know what that means. It doesn't sound appropriate.
BTS.
Bangtan boys?
Yeah, it's like...
Sounds
I can't
dirty.
say it. I'm going to butcher it, but it's like Bangtan Sanyendang or something like that, and that's what BTS stands for in Korean. Yeah, so now everyone's gonna watch me or listen to me butcher that, but it's okay, I tried. The intent was there.
Yeah, you're a nail artist, not a public speaker. It's fine.
Exactly. That's what you're all here for. This is why, what do they say about radio personalities? You have a face for radio. Just kidding.
You just call yourself ugly?
It was a joke. I love my face, okay? So I've just been doing little black details all over on the Grinch, and I've been curing them definitely section by section. Like when I did the thick bands kind of around his body, the black bands, I did those each individually because I didn't want them to start to run. And the same thing, especially with the little fuzzy trims everywhere, I cured those all individually so they wouldn't spread.
Hand models being perfect, big head keeps getting in the way.
Well, sometimes it's all... My Instagram people out there will know it's all about them angles. But that's more in an artist sense that I'm talking right now.
Look at that sly grin.
It's pretty cool because that sly grin, that took me one try, and that never usually happens. It usually takes me a couple tries. But that was a good sly grin. It just came out all kinds of curvaceous, just the way I needed it to be.
The new Grinch movie just came out like a couple weeks ago.
I haven't seen that one.
Me either, because no one beats Jim Carrey Grinch.
Yeah, Jim Carrey is pretty amazing in general, and him as the Grinch is extra amazing.
Everyone should let us know their favorite rendition of the Grinch.
Agreed. Sound off in the comments, my friends.
Actually, better than Jim Carrey's Grinch is the original book.
True. Good point. No, I think I really like the animated one, and I really like Jim Carrey.
Alright, if you like the animated one so much, who narrated it?
You got me. What's that? Who is it?
I don't know, I didn't say I liked it. I'll tell you who wrote the original. Dr. Seuss.
Was it? I thought it was Burt McAvoy, FBI. Is that his name?
I have no idea what you're talking about. Tell them more.
It's a Parks
Nell
and
cigarettes.
Recreation reference.
I'm an
Comment
office
also
guy.
in the comments down below if you know exactly what I'm talking about. So these are his eyeballs. I've already done like most of his nose and his mouth. And I like to do most of the black details, especially on animated characters or cartoony characters first, so I can get a good base down. Then I'll do little fun details like this with colors. So you'll see me come in also with a red, and then I'll give him his pupils because the art that I was working from, that's what it looked like.
Now, for those of you who are curious, we do have a full set of Grinch nails, including his wonderful dog and Cindy Lou Who,
I love his little doggy. He's so cute.
and just cool designs on all the other nails. So if you want to see them, let us know. We'll either put them on our YouTube or on our Instagram.
Please let us know because I want you guys to see them because I just think they are so adorable. And I think you would love them. It would just tickle your heartstrings, I believe.
I just feel like the comments are going to be full of people crying that the hand models changed for this video.
Well,
Where's the
that's
Hobbit
life.
hands? Where are the hairy hands?
You think they'll miss you that much?
Oh, whether they realize it or
Full of
not, they will.
himself over here.
There's just something about hairy hands. Manly, rugged, short.
That's all? Okay. I was waiting for some more. You should start a website. Maybe it's like a kink. Not
Fetish?
A kink. A fetish, yeah.
Babe, this is a Christmas video kids are going to be watching.
Well, they won't know those words, so. We're just talking about baking apples and stuff. That's what that was.
Mm-hmm.
It's a recipe. It's a secret adult recipe. One day when you're a big kid, you'll know. This is just finishing up on all the details. All the little black areas. Like I said, just curing them all individually so that you can keep the nice detail.
Now, we're going to give you a little call to action. Spread the Christmas spirit. Send this Nell video to people. Let them see the beautiful Grinch Nells and how holiday and festive you are.
Yeah.
And like, subscribe, comment. Let us know what you want to see in the future.
We love hearing from you guys.
And we wish you all a happy holidays.
Thanks for coming.
Ciao, ciao, bonjour.
Adios. Aloha.
BTS for life.
Jimin for life.